Student Assessment Test January 2019 10+1 Physics paper I am going to discuss in this video. I will discuss all 1 marks and 2 marks questions in this video. For 3 marks and 5 mark questions there will be a separate video whose links can be found into the descriptions. So let's start. First part of question number 1 is temperature of gas is measure of A. Average potential energy of the molecule, B. Average kinetic energy of molecules, C. Average distance of molecules, and D. Average size of the molecules. So B is the right option for this. So right option is B, which is average kinetic energy of molecules. Second part, gas exerts pressure on walls of the container because gas molecules have mass, gas molecules have weight, gas molecules collide with each other, gas molecules collide with the walls of the container. It exerts pressure on the walls due to gas molecules collide with the walls of the container. So D is the right option for second part of question number 1. Now moving towards the third part, the relation between pressure and kinetic energy per unit volume E is. So this is P is equal to 2 by 3E. This is the right option. C is the right option for third part of question number 1. Now moving towards the fourth part, a system exhibiting simple harmonic motion must possesses elasticity as well as inertia, elasticity and external force, elasticity only and inertia only. So A is the right option for this. So the necessary condition is elasticity as well as inertia. Fifth part of question number 1. In simple harmonic motion, the direction of acceleration to the displacement is. The direction of acceleration is always opposite to the displacement. So B is the right option for fifth part of question number 1. Now moving towards the sixth part, factor on which pitch of the sound depends. Pitch of the sound depends upon frequency. So B is the right option. Now moving towards the next part, that is 7th of question number 1. Relation between wavelength lambda, frequency nu and velocity v is equal to nu lambda. So A is the right option. Now moving towards the 8th part of question number 1. Infrasonic waves are those whose frequencies are. Here it is saying infrasonic. Infrasonic are the waves whose frequencies are less than 20 Hertz. That is B is the right option. And ultrasonic waves have frequency more than 20 kilohertz. Now moving towards the next question, that is second question. Second question is, what is ideal gas? Give its main characteristics. Here is the definition. A gas whose pressure, volume and temperature are represented by equation PV is equal to nRT. This is ideal gas equation. And next part is main characteristics of this gas. Main characteristics of the gas are that it consists of molecules for small mass with no dimensions and negligible intermolecular forces and obey gas law at all temperature and pressure. This is question number 2, which is of 2 marks. Now moving towards the next question, that is question number 3. This is the question. Define universal gas constant. give its value and SI unit. Universal gas constant, which is represented by capital R, is work done by a gas per mole per Kelvin, which is a constant in perfect gas equation. Here you can see PV is equal to nRT. Here R, this is ideal gas equation, and this R is universal gas constant. The value of R is equal to 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. Now moving towards the next question, that is question number 4. Distinguish between periodic and oscillatory motion. Periodic motion. Motion which is repeated over and again after equal interval of time. Example, revolution of Earth around the Sun. This is periodic because after 1 year Earth comes to its initial position and this phenomena continues. Oscillatory motion. A periodic motion which is bounded about a mean position is called oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is also a periodic, but this is bounded. This is the main point or main difference between periodic and oscillatory motion. Example of this oscillatory motion: motion of bob of simple pendulum. Now, fifth question. On an average, human heart is found to beat 75 times in a minute. Calculate beat frequency and time period. Here, it is given that heart is found to beat 75 times in a minute. So, frequency is equal to 75 times. It is beating 75 times. So, number of beats divided by time in a 1 minute, we convert to minute to second, that is 60 seconds. So, this will be 5 by 4, that will be equal to 1.25 hours. And time is 1 by nu, so that will be equal to 4 by 5, and this is equal to 0.8 second. So, this is question number 5. This is also of 2 marks. So, these are all the questions of 1 marks and 2 marks. For 3 marks and 5 mark question, there is a separate video whose links can be found into the descriptions, from where you can watch it. Thank you very much.